smile and relax. It's fun.
Okay.
Perez, and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T in real time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure that you click the like button. Please share, because we're trying to grow this community.
Glow and grow.
Grow and grow this community. This is Ernest Etienne. This is my baby boy. I know he's not a baby. He's very handsome though, right? That's my son. And we are going to be making some fun things. He had one gone like what, like about a month ago?
Yeah,
about a month ago or so, pumpkin picking, and he had this ginormous pumpkin that we didn't know what to do with. So we decided we were going to make ourselves a little bit of gin and tonic, right? Okay. Gin and tonic. We're gonna go ahead and make ourselves a pumpkin pie. We also took the seeds, he washed them down today. We dried them off, I put a little bit of cinnamon, and we roasted them for about 20 to 25 minutes. We're gonna probably make a really great pumpkin seed butter for you guys too. We also have, after this, you're going to be able to see a curry soup. So we're gonna make like almost like a Thai curry, not really Indian, it's more Thai. So it's gonna be like a Thai vegan curry soup. So don't forget to also watch that video, okay? So make sure that you guys share away, because we are growing not just a community of cooking, but I also have a lot of boot camps and a lot of fitness people and experts that come on to talk to us about mindsets, about getting from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T, which stands for Pretty, Healthy, and Terrific, in real time. You are going to see this whole transformation of me and probably other people that you're going to see in my boot camp and things go from where they were. I think we're on episode 73 now in boot camp. So you can go and check out the first one to now. There is a huge transformation. I have actually lost about 20.5 inches. Not too much in weight, but I've gained a lot of muscle and strength as well, so that's been kind of cool. And he has been training me. He's been training me 3 days a week. He is very much into nutrition and fitness and so on. So this recipe, this pumpkin pie, is not going to be your traditional pumpkin pie with all of that cream and sugar and all that. We are gonna fix that up for you guys so that you can enjoy it through the holidays without all of that guilt. Okay, so that's the goal.
Okay.
We are going to, this is a super simple recipe, and I'll make sure that I link all of the ingredients down below so that you can go ahead and make this as well. I want you guys to make sure you visit our website at memoirsofafatgirl.live. We also have merchandise. So this says going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T. This one says, warning, I'm a straight talker with no sugar added. Because that is no me sugar. All day. No, all day. You're the same way. You're very blunt. All right, so we're gonna take this recipe. Ernie, you wanna make it? You come here, you make it.
Okay.
All right, so Ernest is gonna make it for us. I'm gonna tell him the ingredients and he's gonna go ahead and put it together. Now what I did was we had made a, this is like a gluten-free crust. It is not low carb. So I can maybe put links of other websites that I know that make amazing low carb recipe for a crust. This is not, okay? This is just store-bought. I think I got this at like Trader Joe's or something. I wanted something gluten-free, so that's what, yeah, I like their stuff too. I like their stuff. So this is actually real pumpkin puree. How do you make it? Very easy. Go ahead and take your pumpkin, and pop that in there. So what you're gonna do is, what I had Ernie do today is he cut the pumpkin up into big chunks. He put it into the oven as a dry roast, meaning he didn't put any olive oil or anything like that on it. No salt, no pepper, nothing. You put it in there for 300...
Like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Not 30, 40 minutes.
Well, I mean, at the same time, bro, that pumpkin was like 1,000 pounds.
Yeah, sure.
So, but most of the times it takes about 50 minutes to an hour. And it, this pumpkin actually, I found it to be a little lighter than most pumpkins.
Yeah.
You know, it's usually more orange. This was a little lighter, and it's a little light in flavor as well. So we're gonna really try to zhuzh this up a little bit for you guys, okay? So.
But you put it 400 degrees for an hour and a half.
For your pumpkin, yeah, but your pumpkin was like how many pounds?
I don't know, it felt light to me, but...
No, of course, because you got muscles, you know. Anyways, so So we're gonna
3
go ahead and
eggs.
add 3 eggs. And this recipe is so easy. When I was creating it in my head and I'm like trying to think of what is a simple way to do this, we're gonna literally dump everything in here and then we're just gonna blend it up really smoothly and into the pie crust, into the oven it goes. So it's gonna be very simple, guys, okay? So the next thing you're gonna do is vanilla. So we have some really great extracts going on here, but you can also use vanilla paste, which I actually love more. The flavor's amazing. And then we're going to do monk fruit and allulose. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit more allulose than monk fruit. So here's your allulose. Allulose is derived from natural sugar. Do not put tonic into your pie, but go ahead, allulose. And then some golden, I love the golden monk fruit better than the classic, but the monk, it just has more flavor to me. And monk fruit actually is really sweet. So, you know, you're not gonna miss the sugar,
About
don't
500
worry.
times sweeter than sugar.
How much?
500 times.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
And then, okay, so then we have all that in there. We're gonna put, like I said before, this is pumpkin spice and a little bit more ginger because I like the flavor of ginger and pumpkin together. But I'm using about a tablespoon of pumpkin spice. Usually you use maybe like 2 teaspoons or so. I'm using a tablespoon because this pumpkin was so light in flavor. Also, another spice that I absolutely love is cardamom. So I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, not a lot, but just enough to give you like that essence when you bake it and eat it. All right, and then the last thing you're gonna put in here is coconut cream. Usually in a pumpkin pie, you will use like an eggnog or a heavy cream or something like that. Yeah, that's PJ.
Ooh.
PJ said to me, I'm putting eggnog in here.
Eggnog though.
Yeah,
That's,
but keto though. Keto or regular?
That has to happen. No, that has to happen.
Keto or regular?
No, whichever. I don't care.
Okay.
It has to happen.
We will make it. We'll make it. Don't worry. So we're gonna make that too. So okay, coming soon your way. All right. So let's go in here. You're gonna lightly beat that all together until the eggs are like completely combined in there, and then we're gonna pop that in here. That's it. All right. We'll be right back. This is 2 cups of pumpkin, and it's quite a bit of pumpkin. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's quite a bit of pumpkin. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this pumpkin puree in our pumpkin shell, but we're gonna have extra. So I'm gonna make a crustless pumpkin pie, so tiny ones. We're gonna put them in ramekins. Hopefully we'll have enough for both. So why don't you go ahead and start pouring that in here. There you go. That's it. That's it. You don't want to go too much to the top because it is going to go up a little bit. It's not going to go up by much. It rises, but not by much.
Yeah, because
the egg.
We didn't put.
No, but the egg and stuff like that makes it more like a souffle type thing, right? So, you know, souffles grow also, right? So, same thing. So let's go in here now.
Which one?
Both of them.
Both of them?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think we'll fit both.
Right there, right there, right there. And then this one. I kind of know my measurements a little bit, huh? So these are gonna go in for about. These are gonna go in for about 38 minutes, or in my head I'm thinking like 35 to 38 minutes. That's when I've normally done like a crustless like cake or anything like that. It usually takes about that long. So I'm assuming that that's what it's gonna take, but we'll check it. This one's gonna take about an hour, so 50 minutes to an hour for the pumpkin pie. This is gonna go into a 325 oven, and then we're gonna pull it out and let you see what it looks like. Hopefully this will be sweet enough and good enough that we can actually convince them to make it. Otherwise, we just gonna be eating some pie.
I mean, but y'all can still make it though.
Well, what if it's not good? Well, it's not good. I mean, we just made this recipe, so you guys are gonna be joining with us. So we'll let you know when we taste it, and we're honest.
Yeah, that's true.
We're honest. We'll let you know if this is not good. We'll be like, no.
But by we, she meant her because I didn't really make the recipe, but that's okay. I'll take half the blame.
He mixed it. Anyways. All right, so we'll be right back. Let's pop this into the oven, and we'll be back at the end of the baking and cooling process to show you what this looks like, right? Mm-hmm. All right, guys, welcome back. So we cooked the pumpkin pie. It's still a little bit warm underneath, but I wanted us to try it anyway. And these were the crustless ones. So I wanted to see what this came out to be, because this was just like extra filling that I thought, what a good idea it would be if we're gonna make this keto for you guys to be able to have it without the crust. Let's see. Oh, it's a little soft. Okay, that's okay. You know what? We can also just eat it with a fork.
I mean, it's just the pie filling, so
Yeah,
it should be.
just try it. And it's warm. It's still warm.
It makes sense that it would be soft. Because pumpkin pie is soft, you know.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is really, really soft, guys, but it's still kind of warm. It's not set. It's not set. Okay, I'm very happy with this. I'm very happy with this. We don't really need any more sugar. Some of you might need to make it a little sweeter. I actually don't think it needs to be sweeter. You know what, too? Try mixing some other things in this pumpkin pie mix. A little bourbon would be good in here. A little bit of eggnog, if you have some lying around, would be good in here. A little bit of whipped cream, or like a keto whipped cream or something on top would be really nice. But I think, what do you think?
I think it's great, yeah.
I think it's good. I'm not going to cut into our pie because this is the filling anyway. The pie is literally just in a gluten-free crust, but I don't want to ruin it because it is not set yet. It is very warm. But this is tasty. This is tasty. You will not be mad when you will not be mad when you have this one. I will make sure to link this recipe below for you, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you click like, make sure you share, make sure you click that little bell notification so you don't miss a video. Don't miss a video. Don't miss a video.
Don't miss a video.
See? But make sure you guys subscribe because I really need to grow my healthy community, and I need you to do that. I am accountable to you, and that helps me to stay accountable to what I am doing. So please subscribe, and don't forget to go on and check out our merchandise as well. That's a great way to support this channel. So I love you guys. I thank you guys very much for doing this journey with me, and also just listening to my ranting and raving when I'm going through stuff. So I appreciate it very much. This is going to help me in my journey because my 2020 is not going to look like my 2021. Okay, so 2021, we're gonna kill it.
Right.
We're gonna kill it.
Yeah.
All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Nina Perez, Ernest Etienne, Memoirs of a Fat Girl. Until next time, fat out.